Hiya and welcome to the Outwell Do-It-Yourself workshop. I'm here today to show you how to roll or pack down a self-inflating mat. Step 1, open the valve. Step 2, go to the back and roll it or fold it just to let some of the air out. Step 3, close the valve again and roll out the mat. We're now ready for the final step, which is to roll it again. When you're about 10 to 20 centimeters off the valve, just quickly open it again, releasing the last bit of air. Once you've done, close the valve off again. Take the Outwell strap. And it's now ready to be packed again. Thank you for watching.